If you're thinking about subscribing to Hulu, you've probably asked yourself one important question: can you still get a Hulu free trial? The good news is, yes, Hulu continues to offer free trial promotions for certain subscription plans and eligible new customers. In this video, I'll explain how the Hulu free trial works to sign up, who qualifies, and a few important things you should know before creating your account. Let's get started. First, what is Hulu? Hulu is one of the most popular streaming platforms in the United States. It offers thousands of TV shows, movies, exclusive Hulu Originals, documentaries, kids content, and much more. Depending on the subscription you choose, you can also bundle Hulu with Disney Plus and ESPN Plus or subscribe to Hulu Plus Live TV for access to live television channels. Now let's talk about the free trial. In 2026, Hulu still provides a free trial for eligible new subscribers on select plans. The exact duration of the trial may change over time depending on Hulu's current promotions. So, it's always worth checking the official website before signing up. If the promotion is available, the process is very simple. You create your Hulu account, choose an eligible subscription plan, enter your payment information, and your free trial begins immediately within just a few minutes. You can start watching content across your phone, tablet, computer, smart TV, or streaming device. During the free trial, you'll have access to the same content included with your selected plan. That means you can watch popular TV series, movies, Hulu Originals, exclusive releases, and thousands of episodes without paying during the trial period. Another important thing to understand is that Hulu requires a valid payment method when you register. Even though the trial begins for free, your subscription will automatically renew once the trial period ends unless you cancel before your renewal date. For that reason, many users choose to set a reminder on their phone a day or two before the trial expires. If you decide Hulu isn't the right streaming service for you, can simply cancel your subscription before the billing date, and you won't be charged for the following month. Now you may be wondering, who qualifies for the Hulu free trial? Generally, the promotion is available for new customers or other eligible accounts depending on Hulu's current terms and conditions. If you've already redeemed a Hulu free trial using the same account, you may not qualify again. Now, let's be honest. The Hulu free trial is one of the best ways to explore the platform. Before committing to a monthly subscription, you can test the interface, watch several shows, see how the streaming quality performs, and decide whether the service is worth paying for without immediately spending money. So to summarize, Hulu still offers free trial promotions in 2026 for eligible plans and new customers. Signing up only takes a few minutes. You'll need a valid payment method, and if you don't want to continue, just remember to cancel before the trial ends. Because, honestly, trying a streaming service before paying is one of the smartest ways to find out if it really fits your entertainment needs.